Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unboxing. I went on Amazon the other day and purchased a couple things. One is just something I needed, and the other one, actually the other two are just a couple things I wanted. So before I get into my unboxing, I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers who are still with me. Welcome to anybody who is new. I hope you enjoy my videos. Nothing fancy, nothing special, but I hope you enjoy them. And please like and subscribe if you're just passing through. I'd appreciate it. With that being said, what I got in here was I got a diamond painting kit. And it's a small one. I just wanted something to where I can participate in an event coming up. I think at the end of the month, I don't remember. I'll have to look. But it's the Christmas DP Christmas event. And I don't have any Christmas canvases. So I just went on Amazon and just got, just a small canvas just so I could participate. And let's just open this up. Now, I did go ahead and open this yesterday when I got the package because there was a couple things in here that I had ordered for my husband that was not DP related. So I went ahead and got those. Got those out of the box. But I have not opened anything else and I have not looked at anything else. So, anyway, what I got, let me just throw the box out of the way. Okay, so I just got these. They had these on sale. They're regular, I think they're like $4 and something on Amazon. But they had them on sale for $1. I think I give $1.62 for them. But this is what I use on my containers, my baggies, my drill storage, because they're awesome and they're removable and they do not leave a sticky residue. So I get these anytime that I think I'm running a little low, and I could not pass up that they were $1.62. So anyway, I got those. And then I got me a pen. And let's see. Let's get this opened. I don't have a whole lot of pens. So, and I'm not a big pen collector. But, I do want cute ones, Just set that right there for a second. Now, I don't have any, the hand-turned pens and stuff like that. But I did just purchase a pen from somebody who was doing a D-stash. And that is an actual hand-turned pen. So when I get that, I will do a video. But isn't that pretty? And I hope y'all can see it in its gorgeous glory. But I got this off Amazon. And I love this style. This is really my favorite style of pen. And y'all, it's 11:30 in the afternoon. And it's sunny as all get outs outside. But I shut my window blind and turned on my overhead light because the sun was making the window, it didn't look good anyway. So I hope y'all can see how pretty this is. And let me see. I don't know if putting this light on it would make it any better. And I honestly can't even hardly see what y'all are seeing. But anyway, it is gosh, I forgot what it's called. I think it was called Mother of Pearl or Pearl something or Pearl Swirl. Heck, I don't know, but I'll leave the links in the description box. So, but anyway, comes with a 4-placer, and these are the good ones. I love this. I have got me a small collection of these, and I love these multi-placers, the white thin ones. But 4-placer is my favorite. So I got that, and it came with, if I can get it open, let's see, 2 squares of wax, and it comes with a straightener, which these do come in handy. I don't know. I don't know if they make, I know they make them smaller than this, but I don't think they make them any bigger than that. But comes with a straightener and a 7-placer and a 10-placer. And these are both the good, flat, thin placers. So that's cool. I still have not mastered anything over a 5-placer. And just to be terribly honest, I've not even tried. I've not even tried. It's like I'm comfortable with a 4-placer, okay with a 5-placer, but I don't know. I just stick with my 4-placer. All right, so this is the canvas I got. I guess I dropped that, but anyway. All right, so as you can see, it is a 30 by 40, and if you can see, that is the thumbnail. And I thought it was really cute online. So, all right, let's unroll it. Now, I am going to, because this is poured glue, I'm going to roll him backwards. And it is the very stiff canvas backing, which is okay. I mean, it is what it is. All right. So we're going to let him lay there for just a second. And you can already see he's a little frayed on the side, but nothing major, nothing. I just snip that off with a pair of scissors and we're good to go. But like I said, I just wanted, ooh, that is sticky way up there. Not like real sticky, but sticky. Because I can see where the glue stops. But, alright, we're just going to flatten him out just a little bit. But I mean, as far as the way he looks, I think he looks pretty good. I don't know if y'all can see him any better than that. But I think he looks pretty good to be a 30 by 40. Because, you know, when they're small like this, you don't want a whole lot of detail in it. Because, believe me, I know. I've made those mistakes plenty of times throughout the time that I've been diamond painting. You see a kit and you think, oh my God, it's so pretty, I want it. And then you get it and it's like you can't even tell what it is. But anyway, but you can see his beard, but he looks like the moon. And he's got stars. And, you know, even though this is just one of those little cheapy Amazon 30 by 40s, I think I could make him pop a little. And like use some ABs in some of this, like his holly and the holly berries. I think that'd be cute. Put some ABs or some sparklers in the stars. But it is 23 colors and it is DMC coated. And it looks like it is all listed ABCs, your alphabet. 23 colors. But you have your legend on that side. You have a legend on top right, bottom left, or bottom right, top left. And it comes with just your ordinary green boat wax and the pink pen. And let's see. All right, noise alert. See how many of these come with it. Oh, and it is a round. And I got them upside down. And I've really never had any issues with any that I've ever had that was in this packaging. Any drills. But hopefully y'all can see this. They are not DMC coated on the bag, but they are on their charts. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 310s. See. And I'm not seeing anything bad with them. I don't see any dimpling or anything. Hope y'all can see these colors. I'm not even seeing any hitchhikers. Yet, anyway. I'm just going back through these. These actually look pretty good. There's more color in it than I was expecting. Let's see, number 22, yeah, 38.65, 2 bags of those. But yeah, I'm not seeing anything bad with these drills, so that's good. But let me see. If y'all can see, hopefully my phone will focus. So far, I'm not really seeing anything, hard to read. The drill feel looks pretty good. And with me standing here without using my magnifying glass thingy, I can actually read them. So I'm going to say that this was a pretty good deal. I like it. I think it's cute. But this is what I'm going to be doing for the little Christmas event they're going to have. So, anyway, that's it. That's all I got. Just the stickers, and my new pen. I think it's really pretty. I like how the colors swirl. And my favorite color is purple. So I usually tend to gravitate towards purple or, bright colors. But I thought, you know what? I don't have anything like this. So I was just like, you know what? I'm going to get it. So anyway, I did. And I like it. So anyway, another little tidbit. Please don't forget to go check out my Etsy shop. It's called justminderbusiness. I do have some Christmas minders in there. But just go check that out. Share it, whatever. I'd appreciate it. And until my next video, y'all, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.